Africa is home to some of the world's strangest and most fascinating animals. Beyond the iconic lions and elephants, the continent shelters bizarre creatures that seem straight out of science fiction. From the beautiful gray-crowned crane bird to the pandolin's armored body, these animals have adapted in extraordinary ways. Discover the weird, wonderful, and truly unique wildlife that make Africa a hotspot for nature's most unusual creations. So these are 25 strangest animals living in Africa.
I don't think so.
Number 25. Sable antelope. Graceful, powerful, and strikingly beautiful, the sable antelope is one of Africa's most majestic animals. Found in the woodlands and savannas of southern and eastern Africa, these herbivores are known for their glossy black coats, long curved horns, and bold white facial markings. Males grow darker with age, while females and young tend to be a rich chestnut color. Their impressive horns, which can reach up to 60 inches, are used to defend against predators and establish dominance. Sable antelopes live in herds often led by a single dominant male. Their keen senses and strong social structure help them survive in the wild. A symbol of strength and elegance, the sable antelope truly embodies the spirit of the African wilderness. Number 24. Shoebill. The shoebill is one of the strangest and most fascinating birds on Earth. Standing up to 5 feet tall with a massive shoe-shaped bill, this prehistoric-looking bird stalks the swamps of Central and Eastern Africa. Despite its awkward appearance, the shoebill is a skilled predator, silently standing still for hours before striking lightning fast to snatch up fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. Its stare is intense, often earning it the nickname Death Bird, but it's actually quite shy around humans. With slow, deliberate movements and a dinosaur-like presence, the shoebill feels like a relic from another era. Mysterious, majestic, and a little eerie, the shoebill is truly one of nature's most unforgettable birds. Number 23. The dwarf mongoose. The dwarf mongoose is Africa's smallest carnivore, but it packs a powerful personality. These social creatures, which weigh less than a pound, live in tightly knit communities of up to 30 led by a dominant female. Dwarf mongooses can be found in savannas and shrublands, where they reside in abandoned termite mounds that provide comfortable, protected shelter. Don't be fooled by their size. They're fearless in the face of predators and extremely cooperative hunters, feeding on insects, small reptiles, and even scorpions. They communicate using a sophisticated combination of chirps, squeaks, and growls, which keeps the group linked and alert. With collaboration, speed, and intelligence on their side, the dwarf mongoose demonstrates that you don't have to be enormous to conquer the wild. Number 22. Bat-eared fox. With oversized ears and a mischievous face, the bat-eared fox is one of Africa's most unique and adorable predators. Found in open grasslands and savannas, this small sandy-colored fox gets its name from its massive ears, which aren't just for hearing. They help regulate body temperature and detect the faintest rustle of insects underground. Unlike most foxes, the bat-eared fox feeds mainly on termites and beetles, using its sharp claws to dig them up. It's a social animal, often seen in pairs or small family groups, grooming and playing together. Agile, alert, and full of personality, the bat-eared fox isn't just cute, it's a perfectly adapted insect hunting machine of the African wild. Number 21. The dugong. Gliding through warm coastal waters, the dugong is a gentle giant of the sea. Often called the sea cow, this marine mammal feeds on seagrass meadows, grazing peacefully like an underwater lawnmower. Found in the shallow waters of the Indian and Western Pacific Oceans, dugongs can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh over 800 pounds. Despite their size, they're graceful swimmers, using their whale-like tails to move with ease. Dugongs are shy, slow-moving, and often seen alone or in small groups. Sadly, they're vulnerable to habitat loss, pollution, and boat strikes. Ancient legends once mistook them for mermaids, but today, these real-life sea creatures need our protection more than ever. Number 20. The gerenuk. The gerenuk, Africa's giraffe gazelle and one of the most graceful antelopes in the wild. With its impossibly long neck and slender legs, the gerenuk stands tall, literally, on 2 hind legs to reach leaves other antelopes can't. Found in the dry scrublands of East Africa, it doesn't need to drink water, getting all its moisture from plants. Males sport elegant lyre-shaped horns, while both sexes have large alert eyes and ears perfect for spotting danger. Shy and silent, gerenooks rely on stillness and camouflage to avoid predators. Their name means giraffe-necked in Somali, and once you see one stretch up to feed, you'll know why. Strange, stunning and specialized, the gerenook is nature's desert acrobat. Number 19, Secretary Bird. The secretary bird is one of Africa's most recognizable hunters, standing tall, graceful and deadly. Standing about 4 feet tall with long, stilt-like legs, this bird resembles a raptor in disguise. But don't be fooled by the gorgeous feathers, it's a brilliant snake slayer. The secretary bird, which lives in the open grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa, hunts on foot, crushing its prey with forceful stomps, even deadly snakes. Its name refers to the long head feathers that resemble quill pens tucked behind a scribe's ear. With excellent vision and lightning-fast reflexes, it rules the savanna with style and precision. The secretary bird is graceful in flight but aggressive on the ground, a true predator in heels. Number 18, Pangolin. Shrouded in mystery and one of the most unique creatures on Earth, the pangolin is often called the scaly anteater. Found across Africa and Asia, this nocturnal mammal is covered in tough, armor-like scales made of keratin, the same material as human nails. When threatened, it curls into a tight ball, using its sharp claws to dig deep into the earth and hide. Pangolins are solitary creatures, spending most of their time foraging for ants and termites with their long, sticky tongues. Sadly, these fascinating animals are highly endangered due to illegal poaching for their scales and meat. Despite their vulnerability, pangolins remain an enigmatic symbol of resilience, moving silently through the night, always one step ahead of danger. Number 17, the leaf-tailed gecko. With its incredible camouflage and eerie appearance, the leaf-tailed gecko is one of nature's most well-hidden creatures. Native to Madagascar, this master of disguise has evolved to blend seamlessly into its surroundings, resembling dead leaves or tree bark. Its flattened body and unique tail help it stay hidden from predators, making it nearly invisible to the untrained eye. As a nocturnal hunter, the leaf-tailed gecko preys on insects, using its quick movements and stealth to capture its meals. Its large, expressive eyes add to its mysterious allure, giving it a haunting, yet fascinating look. Despite its secretive nature, the leaf-tailed gecko is a true marvel of evolution, blending into the shadows of Madagascar's forests. Number 16, Colobus gariza. The Colobus gariza, also known as the black and white colobus, is one of Africa's most gorgeous monkeys. This monkey, found in the lush woods of Central and Eastern Africa, is easily identified by its long flowing white fur and dramatic black body. The Colobus gariza is known for its acrobatic abilities, travels with ease among the treetops, relying on its long tail for balance. They are herbivores who eat mostly leaves, fruits, and seeds, and their digestive systems are designed to manage tough, fibrous material. They are social animals, living in huge, calm groups and communicating through a series of gentle cries. With its elegance and grace, the Colobus gariza represents the vivid life of the forest canopy. Number 15, Okapi. The okapi, often called the forest giraffe, is one of the most elusive and mysterious animals in the world. Native to the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, the okapi has the body of a horse and the striking stripes of a zebra. Despite its zebra-like appearance, it's more closely related to the giraffe. Known for its long neck, large ears, and sleek, reddish-brown coat, the okapi is a solitary, shy creature that spends most of its time hidden in the forest. Its diet consists of leaves, fruits and twigs which it can browse with its long prehensile tongue. With its rare beauty and secretive nature, the okapi is a true jewel of the African wilderness. Number 14, Prickle bush viper. The prickle bush viper is one of the most fearsome and fascinating snakes in Africa's forests. Found in the dense lowland jungles of Central and West Africa, this venomous serpent is a master of camouflage. With its striking green or yellow body, patterned with black and brown, it blends seamlessly into the thorny, prickly bushes it calls home. Unlike many snakes, the prickle bush viper is an ambush predator, lying in wait for prey such as small mammals and birds. Its venom is potent, quickly immobilizing its victims. Despite its dangerous reputation, the prickle bush viper is a shy, reclusive creature, rarely seen by humans. A perfect blend of beauty, danger and stealth in the heart of Africa's wild. Number 13, the fennec fox. The fennec fox, which is little, charming and extremely adaptable, lives in the desert and thrives in the worst conditions. This little fox is native to the Sahara Desert and is easily identified by its huge ears, which can be as long as its body. These ears serve to regulate body temperature, keeping the fennec cool in the scorching heat. It hunts at night, preying on insects, small mammals, and plants, and its pale brown coat blends perfectly with the desert sands. Fennec foxes are extremely gregarious, living in family groupings and communicating with a wide range of sounds from high-pitched whines to growls. Despite their cute appearance, they are hardy survivors designed to flourish in one of the world's harshest settings. Number 12, the black rain frog. With its round body and striking appearance, the black rain frog is one of the most unique amphibians of South Africa. Found primarily in the fynbos and coastal regions, this small stout frog has a rubbery, almost glossy black skin, which helps it blend into its environment. Unlike most frogs, the black rain frog doesn't leap, instead it relies on its ability to burrow into the soil for shelter and protection. Known for its unusual call, a deep growl that sounds almost like a small animal, it's also famous for inflating its body as a defense mechanism when threatened. Though elusive, the black rain frog is an iconic symbol of the region's unique biodiversity and quirky adaptations. Number 11, rhinoceros. The rhinoceros is a symbol of strength and resilience, roams the grasslands and savannas of Africa and Asia. With its thick armored skin and impressive horns, the rhino is built for survival. There are 5 species: the white and black rhinos of Africa, and the Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos of Asia. While the white rhino is the largest, the black rhino is known for its more aggressive behavior. Rhinos are herbivores, spending most of their time grazing on grasses and shrubs. Unfortunately, they are critically endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. These ancient creatures are under threat, making conservation efforts more important than ever to ensure their survival for future generations. Number 10, African civet. The African civet is a mysterious, nocturnal mammal native to sub-Saharan Africa. With its striking black and white coat and raccoon-like face, this creature is often mistaken for a cat, but it's actually part of its own unique family. African civets are solitary and secretive, coming out at night to hunt insects, small animals, and fruit. They're known for their musk, a strong-smelling secretion once used in perfume making. This musky substance is produced by glands near the tail and was historically so valuable that civets were even kept in captivity for it. Despite their odd scent and elusive nature, these animals play a vital role in balancing ecosystems. The African civet, nature's stealthy striped survivor. Number 9, the elephant shrew. Say hello to the elephant shrew, a tiny creature with a big name. Despite its size, this insect-eating mammal is not a shrew or an elephant, but it does have a long trunk-like nose that helps it sniff out bugs. Found in Africa, elephant shrews are lightning fast, zipping through the underbrush at speeds up to 28 kilometers per hour. They use special pathways called runways to escape predators.